Hi, Ryan with Optrua, and another quick tutorial on the difference between sharing and assigning a view. So you will have first needed to create a personal view. I've created one called My Personal Opportunities, and then you can go down to this Manage and Share option. From here, you notice there's a menu choice, and I can either share it or I can assign it. Assigning is giving somebody else the ownership of your view for them to manage, versus sharing is including other people. Spelled correctly. There we go. I'm going to give share, and then I can give particular access, and maybe I want to read, write, and so forth. So you can see here I've selected a user. I can then give them access to the view, not the records. This is just to the view itself. And now this other person can also make changes or whatever the permissions we've given them. So really just in summary, the difference between sharing and assigning changes the owner of the view, where sharing keeps the owner with the same person, but adds an additional person with specific rights. Hopefully this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.